Sometimes stepping away helps you see things differently. I took a short break, and now I'm back with a question that feels more real than ever. What if the internet disappeared? Forever? Not just for you, not for an hour, but everywhere. Gone without warning, without a backup. We've always feared power cuts, natural disasters, maybe even an alien invasion. But what if the biggest collapse of all time started with the Wi-Fi just blinking off? No Google, no YouTube, no GPS, Netflix, banking, news, or emails. The true consequences are far darker, and the scariest part, most of it has already begun. Think about it. We don't memorize phone numbers, directions, birthdays, or even recipes anymore. That's not forgetfulness. It's outsourcing. Our brains have been quietly replaced by cloud storage. When the internet disappears, so does your extended mind, your memory, your intelligence, your productivity. Students lose access to textbooks. Journalists can't fact-check. Even professionals, lawyers, doctors, engineers, go blind without real-time databases. This wouldn't just feel inconvenient. It would feel like amnesia. It's not just humans that rely on the internet. Most machines do too. Electric grids, balanced in real time via cloud analytics. Air traffic control, monitored through satellite-fed online systems. Smart cars like Teslas, tied to continuous updates, meaning many could lock up, or worse, misbehave. Even the stock market isn't controlled by people anymore. It's driven by AI bots trading millions per second across the digital platforms. Take away the internet, and those systems collapse in seconds. Billions could be lost before anyone realizes what's happening. Most people think we'd go back to cash if the internet vanished. But here's the reality. Over 90% of the world's money isn't physical. It's data. Just numbers stored online. With no servers, no cloud banking, and no financial APIs. Your money isn't gone, but it's untouchable. Walmart's supply chain, disconnected. Amazon, paralyzed. Pharmacies, can't restock because orders rely on online back-end systems. You wouldn't just be broke, you'd be stranded. You know what's scarier than the public losing internet access? The military losing it too. Most modern defense systems, like GPS-guided weapons, satellite reconnaissance, and encrypted communications, rely on secure military versions of the internet. Without it, national security becomes a guessing game. Tensions rise. Countries assume cyber attack. Paranoia spreads faster than truth. All it takes is one wrong assumption, and a war could begin without a single shot fired. When the pandemic hit, people stayed home, but stayed sane, because the internet was still there. Without it, a silent mental health crisis. Studies already show that just 24 hours without internet increases anxiety, aggression, and disorientation. Now imagine weeks, months, with no memes, no music, no dopamine drip. Just silence. Eventually, humanity adapts. Local servers rise, offline communities form. But it's not the same. We go from a global village to 195 isolated digital tribes. Countries like China, with strong intranets, gain more control. Others spiral into chaos. Truth becomes local, trust disappears, and progress freezes. We built a digital world so smart, it forgot how to live without itself. And if it all disappeared tomorrow, would you know how to survive? If this made you pause for even a second, imagine what's coming next. We explore the untold, the unbelievable, and the how have I never thought of that moments every single week. Subscribe now and never look at the world the same way again.